Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at my grandfather's garden. These are my zucchini and squash. As you can see, we picked this zucchini a few days ago and it's really big right now. And all of them are right now. So I'll show you a huge squash. It's a big one. Looks so good. I have another one over here too. I'm gonna put this over here in the pile. Here's the zucchini. About ready. What you have to do is twist it to get it off. Zucchini right here. You can see there's a bunch of little baby zucchinis that are about to be really big. And my Uncle Scott planted these. As you can see right here, these are really big. And we planted these in late April and we started picking them in June. We had to go get some bug spray because the bugs are insane. These are the collards right here. As you can see, they're getting very bug bitten. What we use to get the bugs off, we spray them with soap and water, and it works really good. Over here, some volunteer watermelons, and they have some huge watermelons on them right now. They are doing really great. Here are the blueberries. This is the worst and best year because the birds are getting them, but they're very big because of the rain. We've had a ton of rain this year. This one right here is getting eaten up by caterpillars. And as you can see, it's dying, but we can bring it back. This blueberry bush is having a blueberry boom right now. And these blueberries are really sweet and yummy. That was good. This is our biggest blueberry bush. And it produces a lot of blueberries, but not as much as that one that I just picked from. This is our best blueberry bush. It produces huge blueberries. Look at that. That is very sweet. This blueberry bush is doing really good because a bunch of blueberries are ripe on this one right now. And they're really good. Right here are some of the tomatoes. These tomatoes look really good right now. These cherry tomatoes are really good. Tomatoes, and here's some over here. I also planted another row back there, and that one sadly died. And I have 2 cantaloupe plants and a lemon tree in here that I planted. You can see that they're blooming. These are male flowers right now, so you have to wait for the female flowers to come in before you get fruit. The cucumbers are doing pretty good this year, but they have a lot on them. See right here. This one right here is doing really good and it's ready. And then these little babies grow really fast, so just be ready for that. These are the rattlesnake beans. I'll go pick one and show you. Uh-oh, I messed up on that one. Here. Looks really good. These are the jalapenos right here. And we also have some California Wonder Peppers over here that I'll show you that are pretty ready. Oh gosh, these beans. Oh my goodness. So far, it's like a jungle. Here, I'll pick this one right here. Got it. It's really good. It's like a bell pepper. Right here's the okra. And as you can see right here, there's a little bloom. It's about to be some okra right there. These are the stringless beans. Oh gosh, I got a big one over here. Oh, right here. Look at that. It's really long. Here's the corn. And as you can see right here, this one is ready. And I'll show y'all what it looks like whenever it's ready. I'll peel it back and show y'all. This is not budging, oh my gosh. Some beautiful corn right there. We have the white corn. These are the watermelons that we actually planted. They're not volunteer. And right there is the muscadine vine. It's been there for a while. There used to be some over there, but they died. And these watermelons have little baby watermelons on them, just like the ones I showed you like back there. We just planted some plum and peaches in there, and I'll update y'all about it. And see, I'll show y'all how big it will grow. And I'll plant it in the ground. We have 2 apple trees. A bunch of them fall off, but a bunch of them stay on, and they get worms in them, so you have to spray them. And they look really good right now. See those 2 right there? There's a bunch. And the other apple tree's over there. These are the muscadines right here, and beside them is the grapes. They're looking really good. Some of them are still small, but a bunch of them are really looking good. If you see these on your muscadines, you have to spray them and kill them with the soap and water that I talked about. The white muscadines. This is the big apricot tree. And right here, these muscadines or grapes are roping around the apricot tree, and they're choking it, so I'm gonna have to get that off. And there's another one right back here that is small, but it's gonna pollinate that other apricot tree, and it's gonna get really big. You see right here, there's new growth too. It's looking really good. These are the 4 rows of pumpkins. There's little blooms on them about to bloom. 2 plants right here that is cantaloupe. There's one that's blooming. These are some cucumbers. Also, I have some squash in here. 2 squash plants and tomatoes in this little spot. And right over here, I have some more rows of cantaloupe. One right there, one right there. One near the pumpkin, and one over there near another pumpkin. Right here is some more tomatoes. And here's some sweet peppers right here that are almost about to have little sweet peppers on them. Right here, a little bloom on it. That bloom has to fall off so it can, the sweet pepper can come on. Right there is some sweet potatoes all through here, and some blueberries that are coming in, and they're looking really good. There's another row of sweet potatoes. Here are the strawberries. I got this from my grandparents' neighbor. Make sure to subscribe, like my videos, and tune in next time for my next video.